Hi, good to see you here. You are listening Eon Air Masterclass. Today we have lecture 5. So, shall we begin? Before that, I just want to know that you have doing your homework or not. If not, then do it properly. So, let's begin. Today's topic are the revolution and everyday life, rise of Napoleon Bonaparte, legacy of French Revolution. So let's begin with the topic first, the revolutionary and everyday life. So here we discuss 4 points. Bring abolition of censorship, abolition of slavery after Bastille Storm, declaration of individual rights of men like freedom of speech, opinion, education. There are some common examples. Print media like newspaper, pamphlets, book play pivotal role. Printed pictures reaches to every houses, towns, area where their citizens traveled into the countryside and discuss all the events held regarding changes in France. Sports, dance, music and festivals overall attract large gathering of people which was shown strength of unity and liberty एज वन ऑफ द आइडिया। ये वो सारे आइडिया हैं जो एवरीडे लाइफ में उस टाइम पे फ्रांस में हो रहे थे। रोज कुछ ना कुछ न्यू आइडियाज जनरेट हो रहे थे इन बिटवीन पीपल। टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, राइज ऑफ नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट ड्यू टू इनस्टेबिलिटी in legislative drawn by directory, as I told you in last class, right? So the military dictatorship common surface headed by Napoleon Bonaparte. In 1804, Napoleon became France emperor. Actually, he declared himself owned and crowned himself as the emperor of France. So Napoleon is actually one of the face of Europe for its policies, modernization and development. IPR, intellectual property rights which belongs to your property of anything, whatever you invent, innovate, discover, or you process through it. That property for any commercial use, for your own use, that's become IPR. Somewhere, somehow introduced by Napoleon. जी हाँ, the protection of private property and a uniform system of weight and measures bring by Napoleon itself. Initially, in starting, everyone welcomed and served Napoleon because of its policies, freedom for the people, and because of its political figure. But eventually, um, it became a situation of to and fro. Soon Napoleon army are found invading forces. He was finally defeated at Waterloo in 1815. जी हाँ, नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट एक अच्छे शासक रहे हैं, but after 10 years he invent slavery again, finally abolished in 1848. So students, let's move to our last topic, legacy of French Revolution. Philosophy leads prosperity and prosperity leads procession. When procession became idea and idea brings demand, fundamental rights born. The idea of liberty and other rights like democratic rights are some of the most important legacy of French Revolution. And जब दिखता है तब बिकता है. Here one idea is spread, it can't rest, right? So such ideas actually became demand of an hour during 19th century when feudal systems were banished from our globe. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, नाम तो सुना होगा, who banned Sati Pratha and also proclaimed access to education for all, especially in terms of women. Actually, he is one of the supporter who adopt the idea in Indian Revolution, right? So here I rest my today's session, and if you have any query, then use comment box and have your question and doubts. Here we done chapter 1, history French Revolution, grade 9. From tomorrow onwards we begin with the question and answer session. So be present or watch as per your pace. See you tomorrow and don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you like this series.